How to stop an iOS update while downloading. Have you ever needed to stop or cancel an iOS update before it installs on an iPhone or iPad? Installing iOS software update is easy through the Settings app. But you may have noticed that once an iOS update starts downloading, there is no cancel update or stop downloading updates button. In this video, we'll show you how to stop iOS updates that started downloading and before install an iPhone or iPad. Once the iOS update process itself has started installing, it cannot be cancelled. Open Control Center and put your iPhone or iPad into airplane mode. This disconnect the device from internet, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Go to Settings, General, and then choose iPhone storage. Wait a moment for the device storage to populate, then scroll down to locate the iOS and tap on it. Tap on Delete Updates and confirm that you want to delete the iOS update. Once the iOS update has been deleted, if you return back to the software update section, you can see download and install option. Please note, once the iOS update installation process has begun, there is no reliable way to stop it without bricking the device. Attempting to stop an iOS update in the middle of an installation of an iOS update will almost certainly render the iPhone or iPad useless. Do not interrupt an iOS update once it is already started installing. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.